I'm Jamie Sherrill, but people call me Nurse Jamie. I am the Beverly Hills beauty guru.
Guys, look who I'm here with.
Here with Nurse Jamie.
There she is.
And some might say a skin magician.
Oh, what? You're an artist.
For 20 years, I've been making people shine, one treatment at a time.
Thank you, Nurse Jamie.
Oh, thank you, Nurse Jamie.
Linda.
Hi.
I'm so excited to meet you in person.
Not as excited as I am.
Oh, really?
Okay, I always ask all of my patients this. When you're looking in the mirror,
If there was like one word that you would describe how you feel.
Right now, I feel old. It makes me sad. I'm Linda. I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada. 10 years ago, I went in for a simple procedure, hysterectomy. It was supposed to be just an overnight stay. I woke up 2 months later, and I'm lucky to be alive. My leg was amputated, my hair was cut off, a pump attached to my stomach. I just want to feel better about myself.
I want that for you too.
I would love Nurse Jamie to help me with this extra luggage I got going on underneath my eyes, my stomach.
I see you, and I want you to see yourself. These lines, we can soften the commissures, and I think if I just resurface your skin as a whole, tighten all of this up.
That would be awesome.
Open the
This
aperture of your
bothers me.
eye, yes.
This bothers me a lot. And
I
the
just-
trach.
Linda has come a long way after losing her leg and having to learn how to speak again. She's a survivor.
Here we go, fresh and pretty.
I'm excited.
I am excited for you.
Linda's treatment is not only going to help with the issues caused by her trauma, but also reduce the effects of natural aging. I'm going to begin by injecting Skinvive to help hydrate her dermal tissue and soften unwanted lines. I'll then use ultrasound to tighten the skin around her neck and eyes. Next up, we're going to use the OPUS Plasma that's going to help with collagen production and help soften the look around her eyes. Then we're going to use PDO Threads for a non-surgical facelift-like effect. We'll complete her treatment with radio frequency in her stomach to help reduce the scarring from multiple surgeries and tighten the overall skin.
Are you ready?
Is it gonna hurt?
I don't think it's too bad. I think I'm very gentle. I'll do the first little one and you tell me. That wasn't too bad, right?
I didn't feel it.
Oh, really? Oh, good. So this product is Hydrator because as we age, we get less hydration in our skin. Skin, its main function is to protect and to hold in moisture for your organs. And this just kind of helps to plump that up a lot faster. Your skin is definitely telling me that you're dehydrated.
Linda's skin was telling a story of being tired and overall dehydrated. An easy at-home test to tell if you're dehydrated is the pinch test on the back of the hand. You pinch your skin on the back of your hand, and if it takes more than a moment to relapse, then you know you're most likely dehydrated. I'm dehydrated.
You see,
That's amazing.
you're already starting to feel better,
Yeah.
more restored.
I might even go to my high school reunion.
There you go. I would be so happy. All right, we've got our goal. So this treatment is the Ulthera. It is ultrasound. It's actually the only system that is approved to lift. Most of them are approved to tighten, tone, texture. This reads your skin just like an ultrasound, and it makes these tiny little perforations in the skin. Your body thinks it's been injured, and it sends new collagen to heal. I can really see it just opening the aperture of your eye. It's kind of tucking under your jawline. Get this area that you don't like.
I hate that area.
Ulthera is a one-time treatment.
Oh, wow. It doesn't hurt at all. What does this other machine do?
This is the OPUS Plasma. So this is brand new, this is state of the art. This creates a reaction on the surface of the skin. All right, here goes the first little one.
Oh,
Yeah, you feel a little zap, right?
yeah, it's like a little zap.
It's kind of like a mini little lightning bolt. So you heard of PDO Threads before, Linda?
No.
Where have you been?
Oh, that hurts.
All right. I'll do it more on your mid-face then. So PDO Threads, polydioxazone. It's like one molecule different than being sugar, but I take out the guide needle and the only thing that stays in is that little dissolvable suture. And it makes a little upward track. It's kind of like a desired injury on the inside, so nobody sees it.
So there's no scar.
There's no scar, there's no downtime.
Oh,
You
so
see
like
how it
it's-
lifts?
Yeah. That's cool.
Right? It's cool.
PDO threads can be used for all types of skin and ethnicities. It helps to lift and tighten and also stimulates the body's natural healing process and create more collagen.
Beautiful. Okay, this one you're gonna like. This is radio frequency. It's very healing. It causes your collagen fibers to thicken. The overlying skin here is firmer. And it just feels like a warm stone massage. So this is a good first treatment, so.
Okay.
I'm gonna have you come back for multiple treatments. Are gonna be spaced about a week apart, so it'll take about a month.
Yeah, come in and catch my, come in and catch my, come in and catch my vibe.
It's been a few weeks since I've seen Linda. Her last treatment was a bit more rigorous, and I'm super pumped to see how she's been healing. Because it's reunion time, baby. We've got to make that date.
Holy! Oh my goodness! Oh,
I'm so
you
excited.
sexy mama! You look beautiful. How do you feel?
Amazing.
Yeah.
When she walked into the room, she was feeling herself. It was like, hello, sexy beast. Where did you come from? It was so exciting for me. I noticed a big difference when we did the OPUS around your eyes. It really opened up the aperture of your eyes and it helped to even out your brow. The PDO threads kind of helped to tighten everything. We did Ulthera. We did a little injectable
bit of
magic,
everything.
right? And then we softened the scar. We helped even out your abdomen because it kind of healed more to one side.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, honey. Please don't make me cry anymore. I just am so happy. I'm so grateful for you and taking me along on your journey. It may look like I'm doing an injection or operating a laser, but this is a movement. The beauty train is leaving, destination looking and feeling good.
The way this makeover has changed the way I feel about self-care. It has opened my eyes to where I need to start taking better care of myself.
This past month has been so rewarding and so much fun for me as well. And I love empowering people with the knowledge that things won't fall apart if you just take a moment for yourself.